Titanic was called the ship of dreams. And it was. It really was.
All right, open your eyes.
We go full ahead! Put your backs into it!
Got everything I need right here with me. I figure life's a gift, and I don't intend on wasting it. You never know what hand you're gonna get dealt next. You learn to take life as it comes at you.
When the ship docks, I'm getting off with you.
Put your backs into it. Where's my latte? With extra lot, eh? The DNA is the captain of the ship, Edward Smith. He conducts the Titanic, where it goes and what goes on in the boat, just as the DNA does in the cell. The DNA is the most important thing in the cell. It defines that cell, represents it. Edward Smith defines the Titanic. He's the one in charge.
This is the control room. Oops.
Hey!
Oops, wrong room. This is the control room. It's the control room. Okay, we are going and we are rolling.
The nucleus is the control room. It is where and what the captain uses to control the boat. The nucleus is what the DNA uses to control all different organelles in the cell. The DNA is in the nucleus, just as the captain is in the control room. Driving my boat, the Titanic, it's indestructible.
Iceberg.
I'm the engine. I may look like a fire, but deep down inside, we're all engines.
The mitochondria are the engine. They produce energy for the boat to run by burning coal to create steam to run the boat, just as mitochondria combines sugar and oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water to keep the cell going. The cytoplasm is like the air on the boat. Air is everywhere on the Titanic, just as cytoplasm is everywhere in the cell. The cytoplasm is a liquid that fills in the inside of the cell. It's 80% water. It contains proteins, lipids, and the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton of the cell is like the supports of a structure. Since we're doing the Titanic, we've decided that the cytoskeleton is most like the support beams on the Titanic because the beams help keep the boat afloat and together.
Here's a story I hope you'll like. It's the one about the girl riding on her bike. I know it's a tired old tale, but
the Golgi apparatus is the part of the cell that stores all the proteins inside the cell before they are sent to the next destination. And since we're doing the Titanic, we think the storage room, since it stores all the packages, like the protein, is the most like that.
But it still rings true. She could never be rude or unkind. But a sad song played at the
The plasma membrane, also known as the cell membrane, is selectively permeable to ions and organic molecules and controls all the movement of the substances in and out of the cell. And since we are doing the Titanic, we think that the cell, plasma membrane, are like the doors that open to let the passengers and the packages through.
It's also like the ramp.
Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind.
The propellers are spinning!
The flagellum is a tail-like thing on the end of all animal cells. It is what propels the cell, what keeps it moving. It is like the propeller on the Titanic, because both the flagellum and the propeller are what makes the cell in the Titanic move.
Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time.
The lysosomes are like the toilets on the Titanic, because in a cell, lysosomes dispose of old materials, and in a boat, the toilets get rid of the stuff that you do.
No! I dropped the camera!
The endoplasmic reticulum is like the dumbwaiter on the Titanic because the endoplasmic reticulum produces and transports proteins around the cell, and on the Titanic, dumbwaiters bring food around the ship.
It's broken!
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are I'm being free. These days are share them with me. Goodbye, gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. You feel so right, it can't be wrong. Rocking and rolling all week long.
Go again.